In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a call in Insightly. Logging your calls properly is really important because it keeps your communication history organized and makes it easy for you and your team to see exactly what's happened with a contact, lead, or opportunity. In Insightly, calls are usually tracked as completed tasks, and I'll walk you through that process step by step. First, start by opening the specific record that the call relates to. This could be a contact, a lead, or an opportunity, depending on how you use Insightly. Take a moment to make sure you're on the right record so your call is associated with the correct person or deal. Once you've opened that record, look for the Activity section. Next, click on the Activity tab. This is where Insightly groups all of your to-dos, events, and call logs for that particular record. You'll see sections for upcoming activities and past activities. Since you're logging a call that has already happened, you'll be working in the Past Activity section. Within the Past Activity area, find the Plus Add Activity dropdown. Go ahead and click on that. Insightly will give you a few different options for the type of activity you want to add. Because you're treating this call as something you've already done, you're going to log it as a task. From the dropdown, select Add New Task. This will open a new task window or panel where you can enter all of the call details. Here, type in a clear subject or title for the call, like Follow-up Call About Proposal or Intro Call with New Lead. Then, in the Notes or Description field, add more context, what you discussed, any key questions that came up, decisions that were made, and any follow-up items you need to remember. The more specific you are here, the more useful this log will be later. Once you've entered the details, change the status of the task to Completed. This is what tells Insightly that this isn't something you still need to do, but rather an activity that has already taken place and should appear in your history. When everything looks good, click Save. Your call is now logged under the Past Activity section for that contact, lead, or opportunity, and you'll be able to reference it anytime you need to review your communication history.